Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me HP NV4520 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to disable or how to enable quiet mode on this device. Okay, firstly you need to open the HP Smart application, or you can just open the embedded web server without the HP Smart, so just provide the IP address of your printer in your web browser, but I'll show you how to do it with an HP Smart. If you don't know how to check your IP address, find here your printer. If you don't see your printer here, you need to click Add Printer, then add your NV4520 series printer, and then you will have your printer here. So find here your printer, click on it twice, click Advanced Settings, then click Settings, scroll down, find here, find your Preferences, scroll down again, find your Quiet Mode, scroll up and here find quiet mode. So now we can disable quiet mode. It means that we have loudness mode, or enable quiet mode, so disable or beeps. Click apply, wait a while, and great, changes have been updated successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.